Hi guys! Today we are making beef and broccoli stir fry. Juicy tender beef steak with broccoli and delicious stir fry sauce. It's better than takeout and super easy to make at home. Thinly slice the beef against the grain. Marinate it with cooking oil, sugar, soy sauce, cornstarch, and baking soda. Mix it well and set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now let's prepare vegetables. Cut broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves and thinly sliced ginger. For the stir-fry sauce, you'll need dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, cooking rice wine, oyster sauce, water, sugar, a bit of cornstarch and white pepper. Mix it well and set it aside. Now heat the pan over medium heat, drizzle oil and saute ginger and broccoli. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add a bit of water and steam for just another 1 to 2 minutes. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add more oil and stir-fry the marinated beef. Sear the beef for 1 to 2 minutes until slightly brown. Then flip the beef slices and add minced garlic and dried chili flakes. Stir it well and place the broccoli back to the pan. Add the prepared stir-fry sauce and cook until the sauce is thick and glossy. Now it's ready to enjoy. The beef is so juicy and tender and the broccoli is still crunchy. I hope you enjoyed this beef and broccoli recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more easy recipes.